humbled and I can't say thank you enough. We did it. We did it, Joe. We did it. 10 million views in 4 weeks. Let's talk about it. Let's talk about 10 million views in 4 weeks. Let's talk about still on trending, okay? Let's have a seat and talk about it. We're still on trending, bestie. Trending for 4 weeks. Real views with real people watching. This is what it looks like. Besties, yeah. Wanna come out, you know? Wanna come out? Acting, big up yourself, my brother. You need to come help me lose some weight so I can go right down low on my knee. Come here, work on my knee, you know? I not ask you because when I perform that song, I have to wine go right down on the ground. I have to rub off piece of my body draw. Ear song. You must be crazy. 10 million views. Me hear it up on my life. It's an echo. It's an echo. Me hear it up. Oh, pretty. Pretty dark skin. Pretty dark skin. Remember me and your friend. I'm going to love you and everything. Don't do that to me. Don't come talk about why I'm all up on the team. No, sir. You don't know if you're going to come back up. Cheese and peas. Acting same can make me lose 30 pounds in a 1 month.
Yes, sir.
Acting, don't type things and then when the people them see it, it don't work. Because I have to lose weight before the album I drop. No man, I took off my nails, guys. I'm so sorry. The finger them would have broke up and bust up. But I just came on live to tell you guys thanks. I promise you guys that you can ask me any personal question. So when I get off live, I'm going to start it up and you'll see all the answers. So we'll just start a little question thing. And you're allowed to ask me anything. We did it in space of a day. 10 million views. Big up the living room, bar and dining. But it's restaurant. I'm not ask you. I just eat a sizzling salmon and shrimp. With a nice blended chocolate. I never know what Janai blend up. Give me when you come here and want something blended, that's the Janai. But I came to tell you guys thank you so much. 10 million views in 4 weeks and we're still on trending. It's an amazing thing. It's amazing feel good. I'm happy, I'm excited. Everyone I'm going to have to talk about this because remember them say I couldn't do it. Jesus, please, I'm talk, man. I'm talk about I'm a clean mouth, I'm a pink tongue. Besties, I love you. Big up on yourself. Everybody will love me and believe in me. Yeah. Right there, right there. If I never uno, trust me. I'm just humble and happy. I'm excited. I'm gonna have to come tell you thanks. And that's right there. Thank you guys so much. Big up on yourself, bestie. I love you like life itself. Just always remember to talk it out of my mouth. I know where man say, where God say. And I write this out there. 10 million views in 4 weeks and we're still on trending. We did it, Joe. We did it. Yeah, right there, so. Big up everybody. We support and watch everybody we have done. I've seen all the hashtags. I don't want to overflood my page sometime. I see no video I want to post it, but I just post them one. Because there's so many videos out there that's been supporting this track. The love is just overwhelming and I thank you guys. I really appreciate it. Big up Shaggy and big up Sean Paul. I not stop talking about my mouth. I don't know. I don't know. All me gonna talk about that song, yeah. It's historic. It's historic. Let's talk about brand Jamaica. 3 big top artists out of Jamaica come together and show us that it can be done. It can be done because we act like it could not be done. It can be done. We'll come together, we unite and we make it happen. Yeah, so I just that I want to say. Love always. Right there, right there. Mwah. 10 million views in a 4 week and we're still on trending. If it's done before, let me know. I've never seen it. I've never seen it. I've never seen it. I'm happy, I'm excited. I feel good. I'm supposed to feel good. Big up all of my best friends and all my besties. I love you guys and I appreciate it. I'm a non-stop say that if you want to sound like a scratch record, I'm going to sound like a scratch record. Thank you guys. Continue to watch and share and stream. Go down there. Let's make it the song of the year. VP Records, my son up on the live. Big up on yourself. Shaggy! Hey Shaggy, back with that, no? Sure. Shaggy, big up yourself. Arville Burrell, big up yourself. Go down there. Just stay right there. So when we're ready for talk about Shaggy, I'm going to go up on live and give him a live for himself. But right now, I just the whole celebration. Go down there. It's 10 million views in 4 weeks and we're still on trending. Because my bestie them in the back. What you need? Let me call on. I have some clean bestie. Them are hiding now, but look here. Because my clean bestie them in here. I have some clean, pretty best friend. Look at bestie. Look at my best friend. Watch pretty face. Watch clean mouth. Watch them. Who they? Watch birthday girl. Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday. Yeah. I love you guys because I know say through them see me a living room bar and dining. Them come out, come support, so I have to big them up back. Living room at the place, bar and dining. I love